Hi, Con.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Than Lam. Hi, Hoang An.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, let's see. We're going to ask some questions today. Let's go here. Oh, who is this now? Q, Y. Okay, hang on. Let's see who's learning. Than Lam is learning. Hoang An and okay. Okay, Quan An, you're not learning now, sweetie? Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's move and find here. Okay, so we're going to talk about these questions. Con, what's your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject at school is English
Why?
because it's so funny.
It's funny? English is not funny, no. So you have to think about a reason why you learn English. Okay, Than Lam, who do you like playing with after school? Than Lam? No, I can't hear you, sweetie.
After the school, I like playing with my friends.
Okay, but what do you like playing with your friends, Than Lam?
I play football with my friends.
Okay, Hong An. What shops do you like going to? What shops?
I like going to the supermarket.
Okay, tell me what you do there.
I I go with mom and buy food.
Okay. Con, where do you like going on holiday?
I like going to the beach
Okay, why do you like going to the beach?
because I swimming in the sea and building sandcastle.
Okay. Um, okay, Than Lam, what do you do of Than Lam, what's your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject is English
Why?
because I enjoy English. I reading uh I reading English book and listen listen English music.
And listen to English music. Okay. Hoang An, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Why?
Because I want to be a pilot.
You want to be a pilot? Wow. So you want to, so you can say, we don't say, because you want a pilot is the reason you are learning it. But why is it your favorite subject? So let's say you enjoy you can say you enjoy watching English movies or you enjoy listening to English songs. So let me type it for you. Here we can say English because I enjoy watching English movies and listening to English songs. Okay. Con, what do you do after school with your friends?
I go swimming.
Every day?
No, on Sunday.
No. What do you like playing with? What do you like? Who do you like playing with after school? Who do you play with after school?
Friends.
What do you play with them?
I play table tennis, soccer, and badminton.
And how many friends do you play with?
It's 11 friends.
I usually play with my classmates. We play table tennis.
I go
football,
out.
and lots of games. Yes, and lots. Okay, we can say this. We mostly play table tennis and football. Okay, what shops do you like going to, Hoang An?
I like to go supermarket.
I like going to food shops.
To
I enjoy shopping at the supermarket with my mom. What shops do you like going to? I like going to food shops or to toy shops or to car shops. There's lots of different shops you can go to. I enjoy shopping at the supermarket with my mom. Where do you like going on holiday, San Lam?
I like I like going to the beach on holiday.
I like going to the beach. I enjoy swimming and playing on the beach. I enjoy swimming in the ocean and playing on the beach. Okay. Tell me about the things you like doing in the evenings. Fan Lam, what do you like to do in the evenings at night?
I like reading. I like reading a book.
I enjoy reading books after supper. I usually read my books in my bedroom. Okay. Fan Lam, what do you like to do in the evenings?
I like supper, I usually read my book in my bedroom.
Hong An, what do you like to do in the evenings?
I like to watch a movie.
Oh, what movies do you like to watch?
Yes.
What kind of movies do you like to watch?
Is Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball. Okay, is Khan back yet? Okay. Khan, what do you like to do in the evenings? Khan, what do you like to do in the evenings?
I like reading a book in the evening.
What book do you like to read?
It's Doraemon.
Oh, and where do you read it?
I read it in my room.
Okay. Hong An, where do you like to go on holiday?
I like to go to the park.
To the park? What do you do in the park?
I play with my brother.
What do you play?
I play football, basketball, badminton, and volleyball.
Okay. Khan, where do you like to go on holiday?
We are going to the beach.
You like going to the beach. Okay. What do you like to do at the beach, Khan?
I like swimming in the sea and make sandcastle.
And make sandcastles. Okay. Than Lamb, um, what shops do you like going to?
I like going to food shop. I enjoy shopping, shopping, food, food and drink at the at the supermarket with my mom.
Okay. Khan, what shops do you like going to?
I like going to toy shop
Why? What do you like to see there?
because I can see lots of toy.
Okay, and where is the shop, Khan?
Uh, it's it's in the Wing City.
It's in Vin City, okay. Hong An, what shop do you like to go to?
I like I like to go to food shop and I enjoy shopping at the supermarket with my mom.
Okay, we'll come back and see. Con, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Why?
Uh,
Why?
uh, uh,
Con, why is English your favorite subject? You have to unmute, Con. I can't hear you, sweetie. Con, you need to unmute. I can't hear you.
Because I can listening English song.
You like to listen to English songs. Okay. Um, let's go to number 2. Let's make it a little smaller.
Teacher, bài Hoang.
Quickly. Okay, let's do it the year. Okay. Con, what time do you get up on Saturdays?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
Okay. San Lam, who do you have breakfast with?
I have breakfast with my family.
Okay. And what do you eat with your family, San Lam? What's your favorite breakfast?
Bread
You eat bread, and what else do you eat?
and bring milk.
I can't hear bread
And bring milk.
and milk. Okay. Con, who do you eat breakfast with?
My dad is breakfast with me.
Say again.
My dad eats breakfast with me.
Your dad, and what do you eat with your dad?
I eat milk and eggs.
Okay. What do you do on a Saturday afternoon, Con?
I play computer game.
Okay, San Lam, what do you do on Saturday afternoons?
Um, I I play with my brother.
What do you play with your brother?
I play badminton.
Okay, Hong An, what do you do on a Saturday?
I play with my brother.
Okay. Hong An, who do you have breakfast with?
Is my mom.
Okay, and what do you eat?
I eat breakfast. I eat
What do you eat for
sandwich.
breakfast? Hong An, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat sandwich.
Sandwiches. And what's on your
Sandwich.
sandwich, Hong An? You're not only eating bread. What's on your sandwich?
Is meat, egg, salad, and carrot.
Okay. Hong An, what do you do on Saturday evenings?
Uh, I play with my brother.
What do you play?
I play football.
Okay. Than Lam, what do you do on Saturday evenings?
Không lại đó.
Than Lam,
Yes.
what do you do on Saturday evenings?
I reading book in my bedroom.
I can't hear. Say again. You play?
I reading books.
I read a book.
I read a book in my bedroom.
I read a book in my bedroom. Okay. Um, Hong An, what time do you get up on a Saturday?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock. And you, Lam An, when do you get up? What time do you get up, Than Lam?
I get up at I get up at 6 o'clock.
You get up at 6 o'clock. Okay. Um, Tell me about what you do on Sundays, Khan. What do you do on a Sunday?
I watch television.
On a Sunday? What
No,
else do you do?
I go to the beach with my family.
Okay, and what do you eat on a Sunday?
I eat noodle, sausages, and eggs.
Okay, Hong An, what do you do on a Sunday?
I I I play basketball and football with my friend and my brother.
Okay, Than Lam,
Yes.
what do you do on a Sunday?
I go back. I go to the park and play and play base and play basketball Go with my father.
Your father. And what do you eat?
I eat egg, salad, beef, and rice.
Okay. Khan, what do you do on a Saturday afternoon? Khan, I can't hear you. What do you do on a Saturday afternoon?
I watch television.
What do you watch?
I watch a thing about Pokemon.
And what else do you do?
I eat evening.
I can't hear. What do you do?
I eat lunch and I watch TV and I play table tennis.
Okay, Than Lam, what do you do on a Saturday evening?
I read a book in my bedroom.
Okay, Khan. Oh wait, Hong An, what do you do on Sundays?
I play football and I play football, basketball with my friend and my brother.
Okay, Than Lam, what do you do on Sundays?
I go to the park and play basketball with my father.
And what do you eat?
I eat eggs, salad, beef, and rice.
Okay. Let me go to the next one. Okay, what time do you get up on school days, Khan? What time do you get up for school?
It's 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Hong An, how do you go to school?
I go to school by car.
Okay. Than Lam, how many children are there in your class?
There are 39 children in my class.
Okay. Khan, What do you eat for lunch at school?
It's fish, egg, and vegetable and rice.
Okay, Hong An, what time do you get up for school?
I get up at 5:30.
And how do you get to school, Hong An?
I get to school by car.
Okay, Khan, how many children are there in your class?
There are 37 children in my class.
Okay, San Lam, what do you
Yes.
eat? What do you eat for lunch at school?
I eat beef, vegetable, and rice.
Okay, Hong An, what do you eat at school?
I eat fish, egg, meat, and vegetable.
Okay, tell me about your school friends, Khan.
I have got some good friends. My best friend is at my school is Wing. He has a black hair and black eye like me. Sometimes after school, we go to play soccer. And sometimes we, my family and me go to his house and play with him.
Okay. San Lam, tell me about your school friends. I can't hear you, San Lam. San Lam, I can't hear you. Tell me about your school friends.
My school friend is
I can't hear you. Your sound is going away.
my school friend is very good.
Tell me about your school friends, San Lam.
My, my school friend is Bao. He, he has black eyes. And he like spaghetti.
Okay, Khan, tell me about your school friends.
My best friend is Vic. He has got black hair and black eyes like me. After school, we are going to play soccer. Sometime on Sunday or on Saturday. I go to my best friend's house and play. Okay.
Okay, good. Con, how do you get to school?
I get to school by car.
Okay. Let me go to test 4. Okay, how many people are there in your family, Con? Con?
There are 6 people in my family.
San Lam, who gets up first in the mornings?
It's my mother.
Your mother, okay. San Lam, what do you do with your family at the weekend?
My family go to
I can't hear, San Lam.
my family go to the cinema and my family go to the cinema.
San Lam, is there wind blowing? I can't hear if the wind is blowing on you. It's blowing your words away. Do you have a wind there with you or a fan? You must take it away. I can't hear your words. Hong An, what do you do with your family at the weekend?
I watch movie with my family.
What else do you do? The weekend is long. Saturday, Sunday, what else do you do with your family?
Go to the park.
What else do you do?
Play volleyball.
Why are you saying words only? You don't speak in sentences. You need to tell me in sentences what you do. You don't just say play volleyball, eat fruit, go to the cinema. Why are you saying words? All 3 of you, Khan, Hung An, and Tan Lam. Your speaking isn't good if you do that. You have to tell me in sentences what you do. Tell me the story, like a story. Not just words, okay? Hong An, what do you like doing with your family at the weekend?
I like watching movie. Uh, play playing play volleyball. Go to the park.
No, you're saying words again. Go to the park. That's not a sentence. I enjoy going to the park with my dad. We play football there. I also like watching movies with my mom. We usually make snacks and laugh together. I also like playing online games with my brother. We enjoy playing Fortnite together. Sentences, not words, okay? Khan, what do you do with your family?
In the weekend,
Khan,
I
what do you do with
I
your family?
I go to the cinema and watch a funny movie.
So you go to the cinema every weekend, Khan? No, not every weekend. What do you like to do on weekends with your family?
I like going to the beach with my family on the weekends.
Okay, what else? Give me more detail. What else do you do?
I and I go to swimming in the sea.
Tan Lam, what do you like to do on weekends?
I like going to cinema and eat popcorn and drink Coca-Cola.
You can't say I like going to the cinema because you don't do that every weekend. So you can't say I like going to the cinema. Sometimes you like going to the cinema, but not every weekend. So you can't say that. It says here, what do you like doing with your family at the weekend? So here you can say, sometimes we go to the cinema. We all enjoy comedy movies. We also like to go for walks and have a picnic in the park. Some weekends we go to the beach and have a barbecue. But my favorite weekend activity is, oh, we don't have to speak this long. Sometimes we go to the cinema because we all enjoy comedy movies. We also like to go for walks and have a picnic in the park. Let's stop there because you don't have to speak this long. Okay. Hong An, what do you like doing with your friends?
I like play hide and seek.
Okay. San Lam, tell me about your best friend.
My best friend is Bao. He is 10 years old.
No, I can't hear you, Sanlam. Your sound is very weak.
My best friend is Bao. He is 11 years old. He is very fun. And he like is spaghetti.
Okay, Khan, tell me about your best friend.
My best friend is Vinh. He is nice and like me.
What do you like to do with your best friend?
I like swimming with him, and we has a lot of fun.
Okay. Hong An, tell me about your best friend.
My best friend is Harry. He has black eyes, uh, black hair, black hair. He is very funny. He's taller than me and he's fatter than me.
Okay. Sanlam, what do you do with your family at the weekends?
Sometimes we go to the cinema because we come. Sometimes for works and have a picnic in the park.
Okay, I can't hear your words. Hong An, what do you like doing with your friends?
I like play hide and seek.
Okay, Khan, what do you like doing with your friends?
I like go swimming with my friends.
What do you do on weekends with your family, Khan?
Sometimes we go to the cinema because I enjoy don't have some homework.
When I don't have homework, okay? Hong An, how many members are there in your family?
There are four people in my family. There are father, my father, my mother, my older brother, and me.
Okay. Tell me about your best friend, Khan.
My best friend is Vinh. He is nice like me, and I like go swimming with him.
Okay, Hong An, tell me
And have
about
a lot
your
of
best
fun.
friend.
My best friend is Harry. He has black eye and black hair. He's very funny. He's taller than me and fatter than me.
Okay. Zanlam, tell me about your best friend.
My best friend is Found. He is 10 years old. He's very fat and he likes eat spaghetti.
Okay. All right, sweeties, we're gonna stop here. You did much better now towards the end. Good job. I'm gonna see you next time, okay? Bye,
Goodbye, teacher.
everyone.